Not a fan of Squid Game, but I'm curious to see what this Dalgona candy turns out like. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I can see the sugar is melting. Sugar's melted. Add in my bicarb. And let's see how that works. Ah, that's a better color. And they ask you to flatten it, so let's flatten it. Let's take a cutter and make a shape and then wait for this to dry out completely. And let's see if we survive the Squid Game. So far so good. Not bad, I have to admit. I'd survived the Squid Game. So the candy does taste quite nice. So I definitely vouch for the candy, but the series, only because I'm not a fan of gruesome stuff.